Hi, Greg Bank, owner of Tops Vacuum and Sewing. Quick informational video on one of our most popular uprights, the new lightweight Oreck. The Oreck Magnesium, top of the line, weighs 7 pounds. It's equivalent to a gallon of milk. It's unbelievably light. A new feature that they added this year was the swivel. So you're able to cut your cleaning time down by 50% because you don't have to walk behind the vacuum. In addition to that, you have an unbelievably low profile vacuum, so you're able to get under your kitchen table, in between your chairs, underneath the table in front of the couch, and under cabinets. But the defining feature of the new Oreck Magnesium is the power. The airflow, the agitation, and the combination of the engineering make this machine clean like a $2,000 door-to-door vacuum years and years ago. It will pick up dirt one pass, and that sand is like little fine sand. It feels like powder. That's how efficient and powerful the Oreck Magnesium is. So you have lightweight, you have the swivel, you have the deep cleaning, and then you have durability. If you happen to catch the end of a throw rug, like a sock or a kid's toy or anything else, before the belt breaks, the machine senses that it's working too hard, shuts itself off. You can never burn up the belt and never burn up the motor. But this has a Kevlar lifetime belt, so it doesn't stretch. So a year from now or 5 years from now, it always gives you maximum cleaning. The old Orecks, the belts were stretchable, so they worked real good for a month or two, and then they didn't give you the top performance. This vacuum maintains its maximum performance all the time. They also call this the bare floor Oreck. See, the trends around the United States are that people switched over to wood and tile and area rugs. And what this new Oreck does is it has 6 wheels underneath and a rubber squeegee, so it doesn't blow the stuff around like 99% of the vacuums on the market on a wood and tile and the delicate floors, and even has a low speed so that you can run over your wood floor without the stuff blowing around, and the tile, and then go directly to an area rod, so you don't have to hold your foot down on an area rod, or if you're using it on an Oriental rug or a Persian rug, you have the low speed, which gives you a light revolving brush action to clean the area rug, but it doesn't pull out the tightly woven hand fibers. So it's also the bare floor vacuum. Now this upright was also the first upright on allergybuyersclub.com, and it has a sealed system. So all the dust stays inside the vacuum. You can change the bag with just one hand, just slides in there like that, and no dust blows back out at you. So you have millions of small particles per minute, better retention than the old Oreck. And then at Tops, we have the lowest prices. We're $1 million Oreck dealer, and what we do is we guarantee our prices. We do free shipping anywhere in the United States, and we save you hundreds of dollars. So get the new Oreck with the 7 features: lightweight, swivel, deep cleaning, lifetime belt, bare floor and area rugs, filtration, and lowest price.